Welcome to Hommie. Today, we're diving into the difference between a sunroom and an enclosed porch. Let's get started. Sunrooms are all about bringing the outdoors in with plenty of natural light. Perfect for all seasons, they're a cozy addition to any home. At Hommie, we offer factory direct, custom sunrooms to fit your unique style. Enclosed porches, on the other hand, are great for enjoying the outdoors without the bugs. They provide a versatile space that can be used in various weather conditions. It's more of a seasonal room. So, what's the difference? Sunrooms are ideal for year-round use with lots of light and insulation, while enclosed porches are more seasonal and protect you from the elements. Both are fantastic additions, but the choice depends on your needs. At Hommie, we specialize in factory direct sunrooms tailored to your needs. Visit us at hommiealu.com to explore our affordable, high-quality options. Upgrade your home with Hommie today.